Unpaid overtime, staying late, logging back on, finishing, just one more thing. But the big question is this: is your employer actually allowed to do that? In the United Kingdom, unpaid overtime is not automatically illegal. But that does not mean it is always lawful either, because it depends on your contract, your pay, and how your working time is structured. Let's break it down. If you are salaried, your employer may expect reasonable additional hours without extra pay. That is common in many roles. But there is a limit. You still have the right to be paid at least the national minimum wage for all hours you actually work. So if your unpaid overtime brings your average pay below that threshold, your employer could be breaking the law. Now here is where it gets more serious. Some employees are regularly expected to work long hours with no additional pay, no flexibility, and no compensation in return. Over time, that can raise legal concerns, especially if it is not clearly agreed in your contract. And here is something many people miss. Even if overtime is described as unpaid, it still must comply with working time rules, including rest breaks and maximum weekly hours in certain cases. Now think about your situation. Are you staying late because you choose to? Or because you feel pressured to meet expectations that are not written anywhere? That difference matters, because pressure from managers or workplace culture can sometimes become evidence in a legal claim. So what should you do? Check your contract, track your hours, and compare what you are actually working with what you are being paid. At Blackstone Solicitors based in England, we help employees understand their rights around unpaid overtime and challenge unlawful pay practices. Because extra effort should be recognized, not ignored.